Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Product Review Top 5. A luxurious and rejuvenating bath is one of life's simplest pleasures, offering a serene escape from the demands of the outside world. For those seeking the ultimate bathing experience, investing in a top-quality bathtub is essential. Whether you desire a soothing soak after a long day, a therapeutic hydrotherapy session, or a visually stunning centerpiece for your bathroom, the right bathtub can elevate your bathing ritual to new heights. In this article, we present the top 5 best bathtubs available today, each offering a unique blend of comfort, style, and functionality. From timeless classics to cutting-edge innovations, these bathtubs are designed to deliver an exceptional bathing experience, ensuring you find the perfect match for your needs and preferences. Join us as we delve into the world of luxurious baths and explore the unparalleled features of these remarkable bathtubs that promise to transform your bathroom into a haven of relaxation and indulgence. Number 5. Vouruna TS2189 Bathtub. I recently purchased the Vouruna TS2189 bathtub, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations. This bathtub is a perfect blend of style and functionality. Firstly, the design is absolutely stunning. The classic style adds a touch of elegance to my bathroom, and the electroplated surface finishing gives it a luxurious appearance. The dual-holder dual-control feature allows me to easily adjust the water temperature to my preference, providing a comfortable bathing experience every time. The construction of this bathtub is top-notch. The valve core material, brass, ensures durability and longevity. The solid build gives me confidence that this bathtub will stand the test of time. The dual handles are a convenient addition, allowing me to control the water flow effortlessly. The installation process was hassle-free, thanks to the sitting installation type. The freestanding design adds a modern touch to my bathroom and eliminates the need for complex modifications. It fits perfectly in the allocated space, enhancing the overall aesthetics of my bathroom. Number 4. SKOWLL SK6602 Bathtub. I recently had the pleasure of experiencing the SKOWLL SK6602 bathtub, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations. This contemporary freestanding bathtub has proven to be a luxurious addition to my bathroom, combining style, functionality, and convenience seamlessly. Allow me to share my thoughts on this remarkable product. First and foremost, the SKOWLL SK6602 boasts an eye-catching design that effortlessly blends with modern aesthetics. Its sleek and elegant appearance immediately catches the eye, making it a focal point in any bathroom. The matte black finish of the bathtub faucet adds a touch of sophistication, elevating the overall ambience of the space. When it comes to functionality, this bathtub truly shines. Equipped with a dual-holder dual-control system, controlling the water temperature is a breeze. The brass valve core material ensures durability and longevity, promising years of reliable use. The dual-handle setup allows for precise adjustment of both cold and hot water, giving you complete control over your bathing experience. Number 3. MAIDEER MS422 Bathtub. I recently had the pleasure of installing the MAIDEER MS422 bathtub in my bathroom, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations. This bathtub not only adds a touch of elegance to my space, but also provides a remarkable bathing experience. Allow me to share my thoughts and experiences with this product. First and foremost, the build quality of the MAIDEER MS422 bathtub is exceptional. The use of metal as the primary material ensures its durability and longevity. The tub feels sturdy and well constructed, giving me confidence in its ability to withstand everyday use. I appreciate the attention to detail in its design, with smooth edges and a sleek finish that adds a touch of sophistication to my bathroom. The size of the MAIDEER MS422 bathtub is perfect for both relaxation and functionality. It provides ample space for comfortable soaking, allowing me to fully unwind after a long day. Whether you prefer a quick shower or a luxurious bath, this bathtub caters to all your needs. Its ergonomic design ensures that you can find the perfect position for maximum comfort and relaxation. Number 2. MAIDEER K8880A Bathtub. I recently had the pleasure of experiencing the MAIDEER K8880A bathtub, and I must say, it exceeded all my expectations. This freestanding beauty is the epitome of luxury and relaxation. Allow me to share my thoughts on this remarkable bathtub. First and foremost, the design of the MAIDEER K8880A is truly stunning. Its sleek and modern aesthetic, combined with the elegant white color, adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom. The 1.5-meter length provides ample space for a comfortable soak, allowing you to fully unwind after a long day. The material used, acrylic, is not only visually appealing, but also contributes to the bathtub's overall durability. It feels smooth to the touch and retains heat exceptionally well, ensuring a prolonged and enjoyable bathing experience. I was pleasantly surprised by the bathtub's sturdiness, as it doesn't flex or creak even when filled to the brim. Number 1. vouruna TS2089 White Bathtub. I recently purchased the MAIDEER K8880A bathtub, and I must say it has been an excellent addition to my bathroom. This bathtub, manufactured by the brand vouruna, with the model number TS2089 White, has proven to be a fantastic choice for those seeking a classic and stylish bathtub. One of the standout features of the MAIDEER K8880A bathtub is its dual-holder dual-control system for cold and hot water. This feature allows for precise temperature control, ensuring a comfortable bathing experience every time. The valve core material, made of brass, adds durability and reliability to the bathtub. The classic design of the MAIDEER K8880A bathtub gives a timeless appeal to any bathroom. The floor stand faucets, with an electroplated surface finishing, not only add to the aesthetic appeal, but also provide a high-quality finish that resists corrosion and maintains its shine over time. Thanks for watching this video.